Manthey's new track focus kit for the 718 Cayman GT4 RS. Shaves over 6 seconds off a lap at the Nürburgring Nordschleife. And nearly doubles downforce at 120 miles per hour. Improvements at the racetrack are often measured in decimals. Shaving a tenth of a second off here, or a few thousandths off there, can add up over time. The Manthey kit Porsche just announced for the 718 GT4 RS spits in the face of those decimals and takes full seconds away from the stock car's Nürburgring. The new kit adds flaps and air curtains, along with a wheel arch gurney flap at the front. A new carbon underbody complete with diffusers help improve downforce at the front of the car. The rear wing at the back of the car is 3.4 inches wider than the standard version and features larger side blades. Porsche and Manthey jointly developed a new coilover suspension for the car, with spring struts that can be adjusted to 4 positions and rebound and compression stages that can be adjusted. Without the need for tools, spring rates on the front suspension have been increased by 20%, according to Porsche. The kit will be distributed to the US market, though timing of the availability and pricing haven't been released yet. Importantly, the manufacturer's warranty for the car isn't affected by the addition of the kit.